Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by prepping ingredients and getting texture right. Once basil is washed and patted dry, measure 2 cups packed leaves and 1/2 cup nuts, pine, walnuts, or almonds. Toast the nuts 3 to 5 minutes until fragrant, then cool so they don't wilt the basil. In the food processor, pulse nuts and garlic to a coarse crumb. Make sure to scrape sides. You're aiming to build a base texture rather than a smooth sauce now, so stop before it turns paste-like. Once the nut and garlic crumb is ready, add basil leaves and pulse gently. You want even chopping without bruising. While running the processor, stream in 1/2 cup olive oil to emulsify. This creates shine and carries flavor. Next, add 2 tablespoons nutritional yeast for a cheesy, umami lift and season with salt to taste. Start with 1/2 teaspoon. If the pesto seems too thick, add more oil or a tablespoon of cold water at a time until you're in the home stretch. Finish by tasting and balancing acid, salt, and umami. Squeeze in up to 1 tablespoon lemon juice if it needs brightness. Add salt sparingly. Spoon the pesto into a jar, smooth the surface, and pour a thin layer of oil on top to prevent air contact, then refrigerate. It keeps well for up to 5 days. If the pesto tastes bitter, counter with a small pinch of sugar or more oil. If bland, add salt or a little more nutritional yeast or lemon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.